Hello, my lovely viewers. Today's topic is very interesting and it will be very useful for all of us. I know it because today's video is about taking a screenshot of your PC screen or your laptop or anything, okay? Because we all face the same problem. I've seen many people, they don't know how to take a screenshot of their PC screen or their laptop, okay? So it's just a small video, but it's very interesting and it will make your work, your all activities more smoother through this video. Just quickly, let's start the video. In this video, I will be showing you two ways of taking a screenshot of your PC or a laptop. So, starting with the first one, the first way is you can take your screenshot of your PC or a laptop through the keyboard, okay, through the keyboard button. In the keyboard, you can see this is print screen button. In your keyboard, you have PRTSC, print screen button, okay. So what I'm going to do is just suppose I want to take a screenshot of this. Suppose I want to take a screenshot of this points, advantages of assembly language. Okay, so how I can take the screenshot of this advantage of assembly language through keyboard is just go to your keyboard. There you just search for the print screen button, that is PRTSC, print screen button, as you can see, okay, and press that button. Just press that button. After pressing, go to the Word document, Microsoft Word document, okay, go to file and open a new file, blank document. Print screen button do of your keyboard is that button copies the screen, okay, and when you press paste your screen. As you can see, it's here, okay. Whatever I wanted, I have taken screenshot of it, okay. And even you can click on control V, so that's the other way to paste the photo, okay. So now what you can do is you can just edit if you want, like we can through this and go to picture format, just go to crop and just crop the photo and how much you want, whatever you want to show and you need it to share or for your working, you can just use that much only, okay. So I just wanted this much, I have taken it and just click on crop again and it's set. Here my photo is ready. And now what I can do is I just have to save it. Save wherever you want to, okay. Fine, just save it wherever you want to. Even you can go to export and create a PDF of it if you want. So fine. But why most of people don't use keyboard, there's a disadvantage of it is that you cannot take a picture of it, like you cannot save it in the JPG format or a PNG format, okay. So for that, I am here with the second method or a second way of taking a screenshot, okay. That is the best one which I mostly use. Print screen I not preferably use as much, but this one is amazing, I like it, okay. Starting with the second one, the second way is through snipping tool. Yes, snipping tool. Snipping tool is a tool of taking a screenshot. This tool you can find in every system, in every Windows, like from Windows 7 to Windows 8 to Windows 10. This tool is there in every Windows, okay, and it's very efficient if you just use this. I found it very lately about this tool, and from that day itself I'm using it. It's very useful. Every moment whenever I want, I just take a screenshot of that too by using that, and it's very efficient. Like you can save it directly. Whatever you want, just take a screenshot and save it. Just take a screenshot and save it in the image format. That's so easy for me. And it's a very easy way. Okay, so how you have to find it, what you can do is, as my PC is, just search for the snipping tool, okay. My window is Windows 10. What you can do is just go in search box, type snipping tool, okay. See this one, this is the epic tool, you can say. It's a very amazing tool. Just go to that snipping tool app. Here, this is your snipping tool app, very small and very efficient, but okay. So how you can do is just click on the new. Even there is mode button where you can, there are 4 ways of taking screenshot, like rectangular snip or freeform snip or window snip, full screen snip. Just try on this. It's very easy, nothing much. I know you are so smart, you can understand that as well. So go to new snip, click on new snip. When you click on new snip, the whole screen will become like skinny, okay. You won't see it clearly now, okay. It's blurred in way. So go to new And okay, one disclaimer before that, I made a mistake again. Before clicking on the new, the window which you want to take screenshot of, just open it and then click on new. Okay, so I have not opened it, so I have to again, I'm pressed on cancel. I just open it again, Windows, and now go to your snipping tool. I want a screenshot of this. Now my window is open, the page is open. Now what I have to take a screenshot, click on new, and now take a screenshot of it. Just how much you want, just extend it how much you want this much, take it this much, you want this much, you want this much, whatever you want, just click on, just select that much, and here it is in the JPG format, okay, in the image format, okay. So how, before that, before closing the Snipping Tool, just please don't forget, go to file option and click on save as. Wherever you want to save it, just save it. I'm saving it at the desktop, JPG format. Write the name if you wish, okay, and save. Desktop and save. It's done, okay. So let's see, is it saved? Here it is, advantages. It's in the image format and very easy to access now. Okay, isn't it interesting? Now you can share it to everyone and you can use it very efficiently. Here is my snipping tool, and even you can write it, there are so many tools in the snipping tool. There is a mode option through that freeform snip. Freeform snip is like, click on new and you will get to know that freeform snip is like this. How much you will cut, that much you will appear, you will take, see, this freeform snip. So easy, isn't? Now if you want to take a window snip like this, go to new and here is your window snip. Just touch and your window is here. That's it. So easy, it's so fabulous. Your Microsoft have given it here and you were not aware about it, okay. That's so easy. You can see the whole screen is I have taken the image of the whole screen just by a single click, if you want like that, okay. So that's so easy, window snip. So these are amazing tools of snipping tool, amazing features. Do use it. I just want everyone to know about this and take advantage of it. Okay, there's a delay also. You can make a delay of your screenshot by choosing any of the seconds you want. You can click on save button. You can copy it also, and if you don't want to save, you just have to copy and paste it somewhere. Just click on copy and paste it wherever you want. You can send it as the email, or you can use pens. There are pen options, highlighters, and the erasers. Okay. So these are few tools and I hope you like it. So not wasting much more time, now let's move on to the third step. Third step is not any tool or any button. Third step is like, in nowadays, as people require more screenshots, so nowadays what Microsoft Office have done, they have included this screenshot option in your Microsoft Office as well. So you can see this is Microsoft Word, this is Microsoft Word file. So in this, just go to insert option. You can see here is this. So third way is through softwares, through your general softwares, So now you can just see, go to the insert, see the screenshot option, this screen clipping. Just click on this and you can take a screen clipping of whatever you want and you can just add it over here. Screen clipping, whatever window you want, just screen clip it and you can attach it over here. Okay, that's so simple. Even this one I found in the window, Microsoft Word. When I find in the Microsoft Word, there is this option, and even you can go to the Opera browser. I mostly use Opera. I just like that browser, so I mostly use Opera. And now in Opera also you will find a screenshot option. See, you can see this button, this camera button. There is a screenshot option. Whatever thing you open, like suppose I open this Zamzin online file converter connected to the internet, but if you want to take a screenshot of anything, just go to the snapshot button, capture full screen, whatever you want. If you want to capture full screen, you can click on that. If you want to crop it, don't want to capture full screen, so don't click on that capture full screen button, and just move your plus button wherever you want to. Just drag your mouse, and here you can take a screenshot. So your screen is captured now. You can click on capture button or you can click on copy and close. Okay, what I basically do, you can click on capture, just click on capture, and now you can save it as an image. So that's a wonderful way you can do it. And even you can do is what, copy and close. Just copy it and paste it wherever you want to share it, like on YouTube comments or on Facebook or wherever you want to share it, paste it, you can paste it there. Okay, So that's two interesting things which I mostly use in my workings, in my daily day-to-day activity. So this was all about screenshots. If there is something you use, there is something. If there are any other methods which you use and for taking a screenshot, please do share in the comment and let us know so everyone can take benefit of it. So I hope you enjoy this video and you definitely will share it to your friends and your colleagues and everyone whoever is and you think it's required for them. Please share it, please comment your views and suggestions and do mention which tool or which technique or method you use to take a screenshot. Okay, so I will be there on this Eduwatch channel with the new more ideas and suggestions and techniques for you. Okay, thank you. See you in the next video.